Good morning, Roger here with Roger's $100,000 portfolio, $200,000 challenge. Well, we have $99,796 sitting in the account right now after yesterday's shellacking. Looks like the oil market's taking everything down, and probably today too. But the major push right now is to reposition a second portfolio to line it up with the recommendations of the pros. As I outlined yesterday, we signed up for a new program, and we're going to go with their recommendations on a second portfolio, and there's going to be a competition between the primitive approach and also their recommended approach, and we'll do it right by the numbers with them. So let's take a look at what we have in our account, and then we'll take a look at what we have in the other account that we're repositioning and the status of that account. Okay, so here we are with our account. We are sitting with Boeing, Cliffs Resources, Delta Airlines. I added one yesterday, FANG, and Sleep Number, and then TPX. So we're basically just about all in with this one. We have very little cash on the sidelines, and let's take a look at our chart. We have a Sleep Number, Tempur-Pedic, 168%, 136%. These are the possible gains going back to the end of February's highs. You see Delta Airlines and Boeing and Cliffs Resources. Okay. In the second portfolio, we had Boeing, Cliffs, and Sleep Number. That's what we have left. We've sold off about 58,000, but we can't buy anything yet because that cash is not available. So as soon as that cash becomes available, we'll start buying into their recommendations. And but we have left here to sell off Boeing, Cliffs, Sleep Number. We're gonna keep this FANG here. That's one of their recommendations. Okay, in the portfolio approach, they basically want you to have 20 potential positions. Okay, so right now they're in the portfolio approach. They say we want 2 in communication services, 4 in consumer discretionary, 3 in consumer staples, 0 energy. I wonder why. 1 in financials, 1 in healthcare, 4 in industrials, 0 in materials, 1 in real estate, 3 in technology, 0 in utilities, 1 in cash. So what that does is that connects with another report of their recommendations for each of for a stock in each one of those categories. So what we'll do as the money becomes available is we will buy 2 communication services stocks that they recommend in that category, 4 consumer discretionary stocks. You get the idea. So that's the plan, and we will fill that out as time goes along, and we'll get up to par. Now in this account we can see we have a little more than the other account. I didn't want to balance it perfect. Right now there's 111,000 in this account, so it's starting out a little more than the other one that started out with 100,000, and we will see where it goes. So it looks like the market's going to be down today. It was way up in the futures overnight, and then this morning the oil market is just weighing on the remaining stocks. So we'll see where that goes today. In the meantime, we'll just continue repositioning and get the show on the road. If you're interested in this kind of thing, and you're investing your own money, or maybe you just like to see a guy hang himself out there, subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. And if you want to hit these 2-minute pre-market and after-market updates, just hit the bell below. So we'll see you after the market.